All right, so in my opinion, Nike doesn't have enough orange Kobe sneakers out there. This is like one of the very few that they actually had drop. This is the Kobe 7 Team Bank Orange Blaze colorway. And when did this one come out? 2012. Shout out to my buddy Jake though for hooking me up with this pair. Just a crazy looking colorway. And the black and orange of this one definitely gives like Oregon State Beaver vibes. Go Beavs. So that's part of the reason why I got this pair right here. But anyways, now we have this new pair that just dropped, and I've had these for like a couple weeks, and I just haven't done the video on them. I've been a little bit behind schedule. Love the box though. Gold foil and snakeskin action all over. And look at this pair. This is crazy. This is so bright. So I actually got this pair from a sneakers release, and I don't even know how I hit them. I was like, woke up like 1 minute right before the drop, and then I ended up entering and I got a pair. I'm so stoked about it. But anyway, this is the Kobe 6 in the total orange colorway. And I guess the reason why they made this colorway is because there's a picture of Kobe wearing like a WNBA orange hoodie with his daughter. And this shoe is like themed after that hoodie that he was wearing, because he supported the WNBA pretty heavily, which I think is awesome. That was the case. I think this released over WNBA All-Star Weekend the other week, and so it was kind of cool. They had a moment with them. Originally, when I first saw images of these, though, I didn't know there was actually any ties to the WNBA and that story, but the story makes it that much better. I just saw an orange Kobe, and I was like, yes, please, I need a pair of those. So we've seen quite a few pairs of Kobe 6s released in the last handful of years. We had the Dodger 6s, we have the reverse Grinches in the red colorway. We had the all-star pair with the sail colorway with the stars, and we had an Italian camo colorway in 2014. We also had the Sweet 16 Mamba colorway that dropped a while ago. So there's been quite a few pairs of the Kobe Protro 6s that have released, but it's nice to see that they dropped a really crazy colorway like this. I did go up a half a size on these, so normally I'm a 9.5. In Kobe's though, I'm like always like a 10. 9.5 is just way too snug, which is kind of a bummer because this one is a 9.5 for me as well. And so it is what it is. You know, I have to squeeze them on when I've worn them. Sometimes I honestly just take out the insoles and stuff when I'm wearing them just because I need the extra room. Anyways, Kobe 6 in the total orange colorway here. The upper is pretty interesting because you have that snakeskin sort of vibe. It's like all textured throughout the entire upper. But then if you look at it closer, it actually has a kind of a gradient to like a darker orange in the middle where the laces are, and the laces are a little bit darker orange. And then for the tongue, you see like the oval like circles and stuff through it, and you see it is done in black, so you can actually see through that a little bit, which is kind of nice there. The top of the tongue and the reverse side is orange as well, and then it does have that silver Kobe logo. And speaking of silver, you do have kind of a painted on silver logo on the sides for both of the Nike swooshes. The midsole is done in a really bright orange as well, and then almost like a creamsicle color in the heel section back here where it does say Nike Zoom. And then there's this like fake leather sort of material around the heel collar that's underneath this plastic cage. And then on the heel, it does have the Kobe signature. The outsole does have a little hit of carbon fiber on it, and then it is clear soles with the Kobe logo in the orange on the bottom there as well. And then you do have a silver Kobe logo on the insole. Overall, these are pretty crazy bright. I would like to see a little bit more black integrated in the shoe. Obviously, there's just a little bit with the carbon fiber and then on the tongue, but it would be kind of nice. Just I'm just the biased guy because I want like this kind of vibe again, like with the beaver sort of colors. So the pricing on these right now in the open market is pretty decent. Like you can get them for under $300, so that's not a bad deal. I feel like it's a good colorway. It might not be for everybody. Orange is definitely a color that not like everybody loves, but obviously I love orange. I have like a whole orange row of sneakers down at the bottom, and I'm an Oregon State alumni, so I might add black laces to these to just give it more of a beaver vibe. But what do you guys think about the Kobe 6 Protros? I think that it's a welcome pair, and I'd love to see an orange colorway. Make it WNBA, make it just orange and black or whatever every single year. Give me like a Halloween Kobe and all the different ones, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. It would be fun to be able to see. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick look at these. I'm happy that I got a pair. Did you guys cop a pair or not? Leave a comment. Let me know. Thank you guys for stopping in and watching. Hopefully see you guys back on the channel for some more sneaker content though. All right? Peace, guys.